Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to recover Gotyme Bank account without phone number. Now, here I'm on the website, okay? And then when you come to the top right, you click on help. This is where you end up. And we scroll down to safety and security, keeping your account safe. Okay, now basically what you need to do is you either use live chat. They have a live chat support system that you can use, or if you have fallen victim to, for example, a phishing scam or anything like that, then you need to call your bank as soon as possible, report the case. And for Gotyme Bank, you get in touch with your personal banking managers. So you call them at this number, okay, or this one right here, and you can email them help@gotyme.com.ph, okay, and then let them know basically your full name, your date of birth, register your email address, a valid ID, make sure you upload the photo, and possibly a selfie for verification. And the support will manually verify identity and help you update your phone number. And you can also, if you're still logged in, chat with them in the Gotyme Bank app. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.